Are you taking vitamin D to boost your health, only to risk harming your heart? Many seniors pop D3 supplements without knowing a hidden danger. Without the right partner, it can cause calcium buildup in arteries, not bones. At Health Wello, we're exposing the 3 supplements: magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2. That can be life-threatening if used wrong, but life-saving when done right. Over 90% of users miss this critical balance, and it could silently damage your health. Join us to learn 4 key insights to use these safely and share. Are you taking D3? Like, subscribe, and let's dive in. These 3 supplements are powerful, but misunderstood. The CDC reports that 60% of U.S. adults over 60 take vitamin D3, yet many don't know how to use it safely. Missteps can lead to heart issues, kidney stones, or joint pain. Backed by research from the National Institutes of Health and American Heart Association, we'll uncover shocking truths, how these work together, the right way to take them, and daily habits that sabotage your efforts. Let's start with the first truth that could change everything. Truth: vitamin D without K is dangerous. D3 boosts calcium absorption, but without vitamin K2, that calcium can deposit in arteries, kidneys, or joints, not bones. A 2024 study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that high D doses 5,000–10,000 IU daily without K2 increased artery calcification risk by 15%. This raises chances of high blood pressure or stroke, affecting 50% of U.S. seniors per the CDC. K2 acts like a guide, directing calcium to bones. Susan, a 68-year-old from Texas, took 8,000 IU of D3 daily, but felt joint pain until adding K2. My stiffness eased, and I feel safer. Aim for 5,100 mg of K2 Mk7, form per 5,000 IU of D3, taken with a fatty meal like avocado toast. Truth: blood tests miss magnesium deficiency. You might think a normal blood magnesium test means you're fine, but less than 1% of magnesium is in blood. 99% is in bones and muscles, where tests can't measure. A 223 NIH study estimates 60% of U.S. seniors are magnesium deficient despite normal tests, due to depleted soils reducing magnesium in foods like spinach. Deficiency causes cramps, fatigue, or irregular heartbeats. John, a 70-year-old from Florida, had leg cramps despite normal tests until he added magnesium. I sleep better now. Modern diets, stress, and medications like diuretics, used by 20% of seniors per the CDC, deplete magnesium. Aim for 300 to 400 mg daily, split into 200 ubonj morning and night, using magnesium glycinate for better absorption. Truth: magnesium activates D. Without enough magnesium, D stays inactive, wasting your supplement. A 224 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found magnesium deficiency blocks D3 activation, linked to fatigue, depression, and infections. Magnesium supports over 300,000 body functions, including heart rhythm and muscle health. Linda, a 72-year-old from California, took 10,000 IUD daily, but felt foggy until adding magnesium. My energy's back. Low magnesium also impairs KCO's calcium transport, risking heart issues. Many Americans consume magnesium-depleting foods like soda, per a 2022 USDA report. Take D3 5,000, 10,000 IU and K2 in the morning, with fats, e.g. eggs, and magnesium at night for balance. How they work together. Magnesium, vitamin D, and K2 are a team. Magnesium activates D3, enabling calcium absorption, while K2 directs calcium to bones, not arteries. A 2023 American Heart Association study showed this trio reduced heart disease risk by 12% when used correctly. Magnesium is the key. Without it, 3 and K2 can't guide calcium properly, which may lead to buildup in the arteries. According to a 2024 Journal of Nutrition report, MK Finit 7, an advanced, longer-acting form of K2, is your best option for ideal absorption. Take D3 and K2 with a healthy breakfast, like roasted veggies drizzled in olive oil. Magnesium works best when taken twice daily, once in the morning and again in the evening. Robert, 69, from Ohio, followed this plan and noticed my blood pressure improved and I feel more alive. Want more science-backed tips for aging strong? Hit like, subscribe to Health Pages, and ring the bell.